pilot line gives us opportunity to manufacture microfibers from hemp and flax. It is really a big challenge because nobody produced microfibers from natural fibers. At the beginning, we applied some degumming process with special resins to divide the fibers, complex fibers for elementary fibers. And next, we applied some salinization for change the polarity of the fibers. And next, we applied fragmentarization of the fibers to receive microfibers. Now we can produce about 20 kilos per day of modified microfibers. We obtain from our pilot line final materials in form of dry powder of microfibers, which is useful for different task cases in the project for production of bio-based packaging materials for functional or structural part of cars, and also for different goods like sports goods or antifungal shoes part.